Well, gonna go out for supper tonight.
Let's go.
Yeah. We'll see what's good for supper.
Oh.
I'm gonna guess D4.
Woo!
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah. Just at a rest area. Need to have the truck stop and catch their breath. Nice calm night tonight.
Oh.
Yeah, a lot of clover in the grass. You know, this has got to be so interesting.
What?
No.
I suppose if you're from the desert, grass would be interesting, but or not. No. Let's see what D11 is. Drinks on this side. Yeah. Check the other side for snacks.
Three, two, one.
You don't do the D11. It's
Oh my God!
10, 11, 12, up through 57, up to 66. Well, no such thing as D11 today. Not here.
Surprise!
Yeah. Yeah, that goes to D9. Yeah, well, I guess that's about it.
Woo!
Yeah, it goes up to D9.
Aha.
You know, if I said D4, it's Mountain Dew.
What's this?
You know, I'm getting so old. Can't remember if I originally said D4 or D11.
Uh-oh.
D4, and here's a squirt. Oh. Yeah, well, this is where I pack food in the trucks. Otherwise, this would be supper.